So, a streamer has asked you to be a mod in their channel. Are you ready? Let's talk about it. Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Kyle, but I go by iamtripleg online. And some people deemed me the stream sensei. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to become a good mod. From beginning to maybe intermediate on Twitch. There's gonna be a lot of do's and don'ts and yeses and no's in this video, so prepare yourselves. When somebody asks you to be a mod in their Twitch, it means that you've showed some sort of chutzpah that the streamer is looking for to help grow their community. Now, it's good for them to see something in you. Now, do you feel like you could be the one that could help them? Ask yourself that question, because that's really the main question here. Because being a mod isn't just banning people or timing people out, it's actually helping the streamer grow. So in this video, we're going to run through some key points that you should know as a mod, and also we're going to take a good deep dive at mod view on Twitch. But first, it says that 98% of you guys that are watching my videos aren't subscribed. Am I doing something wrong? Should I change it? Remember, like, subscribe if it's helping you out. Okay, so the question you got to really ask yourself is, should I be a mod? And if you're looking at this video for me to answer that, that is your first problem. Maybe you shouldn't be a mod yet. But if you know the answer, then there's some things that you should probably follow suit and do. You were chosen by a streamer because you displayed certain qualities that the streamer enjoyed in their stream. So you decided to be the mod. Now what's the next step? You get the mod privilege, so that means you get that cool little, you know, sword badge. But you just kind of are there. What should you be doing? So the traits of a good mod are being able to welcome people into the chat. When you see new chatters or new following coming on in, you want, as a smaller streamer, your mods to be as welcoming as possible. So anything from shouting out the person to just talking to them in the chat is a good start. People think modding can be a full-time job, and it can. There's people like Tim the Tap Man who has whips and he's full-time, you know. But with being said, we know everyone has lives outside of being a mod on Twitch or being on Twitch, and things happen. So usually the rule of thumb of being a good mod is you're there about 70% of the time. You can always do more. That's really up to you, but really the initial 70% is where it's at. So you need to learn that streamer's rules. You need to learn when it's okay to joke around, when it's okay to put people, like when it's appropriate to do certain things. You need to learn why people are gonna get banned, why people are getting timed out. You need to see why you need to delete a message. You need to really talk with that streamer. The streamer is really going to rely on you to kind of be the backbone while they are trying to create the content. You are kind of the policing plus welcoming committee. The best mods, in my opinion, are the ones that help you grow as a streamer. Offline, talking to each other is one of the key things you guys should be doing. If you are a mod and to a streamer that wants to grow and you want to see them grow, maybe pitch some ideas or tell them, hey, during the stream when this was happening, that was gold. Maybe we should do more like that. And then even give them criticisms. People need it sometimes, and in order to move past a certain point and to grow, you have to be nice about it, but you also have to give them what's working and what's not. Other than talking with the streamer about what they want from you as a mod, you should always be welcoming to new people in the chat. Always be on guard with people in case you need to ban, or delete, or even time out. And you really want to have the best interest of the streamer at hand. So let's give you guys a quick crash course on what mod view is. Okay, so we're on my channel right now. You guys might be like, oh, you're not online, you're not streaming. As a mod, you can actually go on the streamer's channel and see your mod view anyway. So what we want to do is move me upward. Actually, let's go down. Move me downward. Right below me right now, you see in the chat, there is a sword icon. That is where we're going to see our mod view. So let's go and check that out. So you click your sword icon, and this is what's going to pop up. You're going to be able to see the users in chat. Up there, the broadcaster, the moderators. You're going to also be able to see the chat. You're going to see everything that has in the mod actions down here. You're going to see review requests, everything that you need to kind of keep it going. The auto mod. Basically, if you want to create more commands, you can edit and set it up to your profile. This is where you're going to be able to watch everything. You can see here, I can do your mod stuff by pressing, and they all pop up. All the stuff that you need to. Easy peasy stuff. If you are a mod, you should probably get to know this screen like the back of your hand. Because if you are taking it seriously, then this is going to be the screen that you're going to be on most of the time. So, you see, you're getting more comfortable with mod view. Leave a comment down below if you are a mod. And tell me your stories. If you have some fun ones or some like negative ones, I kind of want to hear about them. But if you have any other questions or concerns, remember guys, I stream every Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday, 7:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time over on Twitch. And if you guys want, you can come ask me some questions down there and have some fun. We play a lot of video games, and we talk about a lot of Twitch stuff. Other than that, guys, this one right here is going to help you with more mod stuff. But I'm out of here for now. So, toodaloos.